Very good afternoon to all. I am Dr. Amradesh K from Google Ayurved College, and today I am going to submit a topic Guduchi from Dravyaguna Vignan, Department of Dravyaguna Vignan. Guduchi here it is a common drug over you seen in Gujarat as well as throughout all over India. Okay. You can see the picture over here. This is Guduchi, Tinospora cordifolia, and the Menispermaceae family, and Kula is nothing but Guduchicula. Here you can see how it is a habitat of the Guduchi, Tinospora cordifolia. Here you can see how it grows. It's a climber. Actually, Guduchi is nothing but a climber. Okay, and you can see the shape of the leaf over the Guduchi, and it's nothing but the shape is nothing but known as cordate shape of the leaf. Okay, here you can see the fruit. How beautifully the fruit it is. It's nothing but very small pea-sized berries. Okay, when after maturing, the fruit will be in red in color. ठीक है? ये तो inflorescence है. ठीक है? ये तो इसका गुडुची का flower है. ये तो गुडुची का stem है. Nothing but the usual part of the guduchi is nothing but the stem part. Clear? Basonym of the drug. Actually, what means the basonym? The pada name, the Guduchi name, what it means? It is nothing but Gudadi, Rekshadi, Rogebhyaha, Idi. Clear? That is, it will protect from disease. That is Rekshadi, Rogebhyaha. It will prevent the diseases. Okay? Reksha karma. Gudadi, Rekshadi, Rogebhyaha, Idi means nothing but Guduchi protect from the all diseases. Clear? And synonyms. It is nothing but Paryaya pada of Guduchi. Okay, the different names for Guduchi. Nothing but first one is Kanda Udbavaha. Kandodbavaha. What means Kanda Udbavaha? Kanda means what? Kanda is nothing but stem. Okay, and Udbavaha means from the stem the propagation came. Okay, the new small plant propagated from the stem. Kanda Udbavaha. Guduchi can be propagated with stem. Okay, and you can see here the pot. It is a stem. It is propagated here. Clear? Amrita Vallari means what? Amrita Vallari. What means Amrita? It's a nectar. You know that is. Guduchi never die when plant. If you consumed Amrita, you having no die. That's why Guduchi never die when it is planted. If you plant the Guduchi, it never dies if you touch the ground. Okay, the property like that Guduchi having. Chinna Ruha. What is Chinna? Small pieces. Chinna. Okay, it's another synonym of Chinna Ruha. That is Guduchi grows again when cut. If you cut the Guduchi, again it will grows. Like that property having Guduchi. Tinospora cordifolia. Okay. Kundali means what? Kundali means what? It is the synonym for, according to morphological feature, Kundali, that it grows in a circular pattern in a plant. That is Kundali. Essence supporting plant in a circular way. It is grown in a plant by the circular way. That is Kundali. Same like of Mandali also. You can here see the Guduchi grown from here. This the circular pathway how it is grown. Okay. Guduchi climbs up the supporting plant in a circular manner. That is nothing but Mandali. Tandriga. What is Tandra? Nothing but thread. Hai na? Tandriga. The stem of Guduchi resembles of a rope. That is Tandra. Tandriga. The stem of the Guduchi resembles a rope. You can see here it is look like a rope. It is nothing but the stem of the Guduchi. Clear? And the next one is Chakra Lakshaniga. It is one of the important synonym of Guduchi and a morphological feature of the stem of Guduchi. Which you cut the transverse section of the Guduchi, you can see the Chakra Lakshana. Here you can see the Chakra Lakshana over here. Okay, that is nothing but Chakra Lakshaniga. When cut transversely, the stem shows their circular pattern. Clear? And next one is Madhu Parni. Madhu means what? Nothing but honey. Parni means nothing but leaves. If you squeeze the leaf, you get a viscid substance. That's why the synonym Madhuparni came. That is nothing but when crushed the leaf, you will give a viscid juice like that of honey. That's why Madhuparni synonym came. Chandrahasa. Chandrahasa. Chandra means what? Nothing but moon. Hasa, semi-lunar shape of the seed is mentioned as this synonym, Chandrahasa. The seeds are semi-lunar shape. Here you can see here the shape of the seed. It is a semi-lunar shape. Okay? That's why Chandrahasa synonym came for Guduchi. And Amrita, nothing but nectar. It acts like as a nectar to the body. Nothing but Guduchi possesses the quality like that of Amrita or nectar, no dye. Okay? Rasayani. What means Rasayana? That is not a rejuvenator. Okay? According to karma, okay, the synonym Rasayani came. That is nothing but Guduchi has rejuvenating property. That's why Rasayani synonym came. Jivandi. Again the karma which will give Jivana. Guduchi protects the life because of its Rasayana property. If you give the Rasayana or regenerative property, it will give Jivana to the body. That's why the synonym Jivandi came. And next synonym, that is Vayasya, which will anti-aging. Vayasya. Guduchi promotes longevity or anti-aging. Clear? And next synonym is nothing but Jwara Nashini. Jwara means nothing but fever, which will devoid of fever. Jwara Nasha Karanam. That is Jwara Nashini. Very efficacious drug in fever. And Vishalya. Vishalya means what? Guduchi protects by removing the toxins. As an antitoxin agent, it is helping to the body for remove the toxin from the body. That is Vishalya. Shalya is nothing but toxins inside the body. That is all toxins inside the body we mentioned as Shalyas only. That's why Vishalya, remove the toxins. Guduchi protects by removing the toxins in our body. Soma. Soma is nothing but a plant, Somalada. It having same resemblance of Soma. That give us strength like that of Soma. Clear? And the next synonym, that is Vatsadani. Vatsadani means what? Nothing but the leaf of Guduchi is liked by calves. Okay? Little cow or calves. Okay? The leaves of the Guduchi liked by cows or calves. It is nothing but Idarahwaya type of synonym, Vatsadini. Okay? Clear? These are the synonyms, some of the main synonyms of Guduchi. Clear? Regional names. Actually, in different area we have in different names for each drug. Okay? In English, it is nothing but called as hard-leaved moon seed. In English. In Hindi, it's nothing but giloy. Okay? Botanical name, as we told in beginning, that is nothing but Tinospora cordifolia, and family is nothing but Menispermaceae family, and the kula is nothing but Guduchi kula. Classification of Dravya, that is nothing but Gana Vargigarana according to different acharyas like Charak, Sushrut and Bhava Prakash according to Bhava Misra. Clear? According to Charaka, it is told under Kritikna, Stanya Shodhana, Daha Prashamana, Snehobhaga, as well as Trishna Nigrahana and Sandhaniya and Vayasthavana Mahakashayas. Each Mahakashayas having 10 drugs. That is the specialty of Charaka Mahakashayas. Okay? In these all Mahakashayas, Guduchi is mentioned. Charaka is mentioned in these Mahakashayas. And Sushruta told different ganas, and they didn't mention any particular number for the ganas. Okay? And he mentioned under Guduchyadigana and Padoladigana and Aragudadigana and Kagolyadi and Vallipanjamula. Vallipanjamula is nothing but Misraya Vargigarana. Okay? Clear? And at last, according to Bhava Prakashanundu or Bhava Misra, it is told under Guduchyadi Varga. Clear? Actually, we having varieties of Guduchi. According to Dhanvantari Ningudu, we having those type of Guduchi, that is nothing but Padma Guduchi and Kanda Guduchi. Kanda Guduchi is nothing but Tinospora sinensis. Clear? And other species we are taking as Guduchi, we having almost 4 type of species other than Tinospora cordifolia. That is nothing but Tinospora crispa, Tinospora sinensis, Tinospora malabarica, and Tinospora tomentosa. These are the other 4 types or 4 species of Guduchi. Now we came for habitat. What is habitat actually? Actually, habitat means where this drug is grown abundantly or where it is seen very abundantly. Okay, this is nothing but habitat. Here Guduchi grows throughout India and commonly cultivated by the demand. Okay, Guduchi is commonly seen in throughout India and according to demand it is cultivated also. Okay, you can see the Guduchi stem over here. Morphology. We can tell the morphology of the plant. First of all, we can see the habit, how the drug looks like. It is habit. Habit is different from habitat. Okay, habitat is nothing but how the drug looks like, whether it is a creeper, tree, plant or something. A large glabrous climber. You can see it is a large glabrous climber with succulent and corky and grooved stems. Okay, it's a, you can see succulent means very fleshy or which having watery, the stem having very watery. The large glabrous climber with succulent, corky and grooved stems. Clear? And next one, branches sending down slender fleshy roots which having, if you grow the Guduchi, it will droop the branches downsides, like that it will grow. Okay, this is a habit of the Guduchi. You can see here how it is grown, very succulent in nature and it is a glabrous climber. Okay, from the picture you can see that one. Next one, morphological part is nothing but leaves, how the leaves look like. Okay, in here you can very clear it is mentioned as a heart leaf, and in English also it is called heart-leaved moonseed. It is nothing but the shape of the leaf is heart leaf. Okay, membranous, the leaves are membranous. Okay, and cordate in shape, nothing but the shape of the leaf is cordate, and obtuse or more or less cuspidate. Okay, obtuse or more or less cuspidate, and reticulate veined. You can see the venation over the leaf, that is reticulate venation. There are 2 types of main venation, that is nothing but reticulate and parallel venation. Here you can see the reticulate venation of the leaf. Next one is petiole. The leaves are petiolated, long petiolated leaf. You can see here the petioles behind the leaf. It's a petiole. Clear? These are the some of the morphological features of Tinospora cordifolia. Now we are going to inflorescence. You can see the inflorescence here. Lancet raceme. Okay, lancet raceme. And axillary. It grown in axillary or terminal or from the older wood. It came from axillary or it from terminal or from the old wood. It came. Okay, this is the inflorescence. Next is nothing but flowers. Here the male flowers are clustered and acts as small subulate bracts. Okay, and the color is yellow in color. This is about the male flower. According to female flower, they are usually solitary, similar to male, but sepals are green in color. You can see here that. Okay, clear? Next morphological part is nothing but fruit. In the beginning also we saw the fruit, how it is. It is a small berry type of fruit, and after ripening the color changes to red. Okay, and size of a large pea. The size of the fruit is nothing but large pea. You can see the fruit. Clear? Next one is seeds. In first in synonyms itself we have got a synonym Chandrahasa, that is nothing but semi-lunar shape of the seed. Okay, broadly ellipsoid with a slender dorsal ridge and a ventral depression over the seed, that you can see from the seed. Okay, and the usual part is nothing but stem. Phytoconstituents, that is nothing but phytoconstituents present in Guduchi plant. The main phytoconstituents are nothing but tinosporide and cordifolide and tinosporin and tinosporon and tinosporic acid and cordifol. These are the main phytoconstituents that present over Guduchi or Tinospora cordifolia. And the main part, as a Druviguna, the main part of the Rasa Panjak of the Guduchi. Rasa we have known that is Tikta Kashayaras. Okay, and Guna is nothing but Guru Snigdha Guna, as well as Vibhaga is Madhura Vibhaga and Virya is Ushna Virya. Clear? This is the Rasa Panjaka of Guduchi. Again, Rasa is nothing but Tikta Kashayaras and Guna is Guru Snigdha Gun and Vibhaga is Madhura Vibhaga and Virya is Ushna Virya for the Guduchi. Next we are going to Dosha Karma. The Dosha Karma actually. Guduchi is told as Tridosha Hara, Vadahara, Pittahara, Kaphahara, Tridosha Hara. Okay, how it is Tridosha Hara, that we can see. According to Acharya, it is the Vadashamaga by because of Ushna Virya. Okay, the Vadashamaga because of Ushna Virya. Here can already told it is having Ushna Viryatvam. Okay, that's why Vadashamaga is by Ushna Virya and Madhura Vibhaga. That's why it is told as Vadashamak. And why it is Pittahara? Due to Madhura Vibhaga and Tikta Kashayaras. Okay, Madhura Vibhaga and it's having Tikta Kashayaras. Okay, and Kaphashamaga due to what? Ushna Virya and Tikta Kashayaras. These are the Doshaknada or Dosha Karma of Guduchi, Tridosha Hara. And how the Tridosha is Hara, that we explained. Clear? Next one, nothing but Karma, actions of Guduchi. Okay, what are the Karma of Guduchi? Here it is used as saying Jora Hara. It is a Karma, Jora Hara Karma. And Rasayana Karma, in synonym we already told it is Rasayana. And we having Sangrahi Karma. Okay, and we are in Dibana as well as Amahara and Trishna and Dahara as well as Pramehakna. Okay, and Kushtakna and Vayastabana. Okay, it is a good rejuvenator also, and it reduces the aging. It gives longevity to the life. Clear? These are the karmas, important karma of Guduchi. And nothing. Pharmacological actions. What are the main pharmacological action of Guduchi? It's nothing but it is an antipyretic because it is Tikta Kashayaras. Okay, and it is diuretic. These are the both pharmacological action of Guduchi. Next is nothing but Dogapnada, indications. Where the Guduchi is indicated. Okay, Dogapnada, indicated. Where? In first, Jwara, Vadarat, Prameha. Okay, and Kushta, Agnimandya, as well as in Trishna in condition. And Daha, Kasa, and Krimi. Clear? And Chardi, Arshas, Netravigaras, and Hridrogas. In all these conditions, it is told, and not that the poem, Guduchi is one of the best Medya Dravya. Guduchi is the one of the best Medya Dravya by Acharya Charaga. Clear? Next one is nothing but Amayuga Prayoga. How you can use as a single drug or Amayuga Prayogas. In Jwara condition, you can, how the Guduchi is used. Actually, Kwada prepared from Guduchi, and when it is cooled, it to be administered as a decoction of Guduchi. Kvada prepared from Guduchi when it is cooled to be administered for in the condition of Jwara condition. Clear? And the next one is nothing but Vada Jwara. Here in first we told the general Jwara. Again Acharya mentioned very independently Vadaja type of Jwaras or Vadaja Jwaras. In that condition, how you can use Guduchi? In case of fever originated from Vada, the Sorasa, okay, Sorasa of Guduchi is useful. Particularly mentioned, the juice or Sorasa of Guduchi is mentioned in Vadaja Jwara. Clear? And next is nothing but Vada Rakta, but gout otherwise. The Taila processed by Guduchi, Kvada and milk. Guduchi, Kvada and milk. Taila prepared from Guduchi, Kvada and milk will available for Vada Raktas. Okay, for as external application, the Taila. Clear? And other Amaya Prayogas. Amla Pitta, we already told it is Pittahara, that is Amla Pitta. Kvada prepared from leaves of Guduchi, Nimba and Padola. Okay? What are the drugs? Guduchi, Nimba and Padola is taken with Madhu, nothing but honey, is very useful in Amla Pitta. Next one it is Prameha. Prameha. Nowadays it is very large in patient of Pramehas. What will you? We have a single drug that is Guduchi. You can use the Swarasa of Guduchi with Madhu and all types of Pramehas. Okay? Swarasa of Guduchi plus Madhu is used for Prameha. Clear? And other Amaya Praya is nothing but in Trishna. How you use the Guduchi? Syrup prepared from Guduchi. Syrup bases. Okay? Syrup prepared from Guduchi is beneficial for Trishna. Nothing but thirst. Trishna. And other Amaya Prayasa are nothing but, as we told, and Matra, how you can use the medicine, Matra. Kvada, if you are taking Kvada, decoction, it is told in 50 to 100 milli. And if you are taking Churna, powder, it is 1 to 3 gram. And if you are taking Sattva, Guduchi Sattva, and it is 0.5 to 2 grams. These are the formulation Matras, okay, dosages. And formulations, yogas, are told by Acharyas. Main yogas are Guduchadi Kvada, already we told in Amaya Prayogas, and in Guduchadi Grida, as well as Taila and Guduchi Sattva, and Guduchadi Churna and Amrudarishta that you can get in market for Amrudarishta. For fever, we are giving Amrudarishta and all. And next one is Kaishora Guguru, best drug for Vadarakta. Clear? These are the some of the good formulations of Guduchi. Thank you to all. Namaste.